The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is a global marketplace where currencies are traded. It is the largest financial market in the world, dwarfing even the stock markets. Trillions of dollars change hands every day, making it a highly liquid and dynamic market. This presents a massive opportunity for individuals to profit from the fluctuations in currency values. With the right knowledge and tools, you can participate in this exciting market and potentially achieve significant financial gains. Whether you are a seasoned trader with years of experience or just starting out on your trading journey, having a reliable and efficient trading platform is crucial to your success. Exness MT5 offers a powerful and user-friendly platform for trading Forex, providing you with all the tools you need to make informed decisions. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps to open your Exness MT5 account from registration to your first trade. Get ready to embark on your Forex journey and explore the endless possibilities that await you in the world of currency trading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tutorials on Forex trading. And be sure to check out the links to my favorite trading books in the description below. Welcome, aspiring traders. We are thrilled you're here, ready to explore the dynamic world of Forex trading. Your journey to financial freedom starts right here, right now. We're here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth and exciting trading experience. Thank you for choosing to embark on this journey with FX Cipher. Your trust and enthusiasm fuel our passion for empowering individuals like you in the Forex market. Let's dive into the world of Exness MT5 and unlock its potential together. Before we get started, let's talk about the importance of using referral links. When you use our referral link, https://1.exnesstrack.org AAC X5KPG1C4, you're not just opening an account, you're directly supporting our mission. Your support through the referral link helps us create more informative content and provide even better resources for traders of all levels. It's a win-win situation. You get access to a fantastic platform, and we get to keep sharing our knowledge and passion for Forex trading. Ready to dive into the world of Exness MT5? The first step is easy. Simply click on our referral link, https://1.exnesstrack.org AACE X5KPG1C4. This will take you directly to the Exness website where your trading journey begins. Once you're on the Exness website, look for the Register button. Click on it and you'll be greeted with a straightforward registration form. Fill in your details, including your country of residence, email address, and a secure password. Section 5. Verification. Securing your future. Security is paramount in the world of online trading. That's why Exness has a simple verification process to protect your account and ensure a safe trading environment. After you've registered, Exness will require you to verify your identity. This typically involves providing a copy of your government-issued ID and a proof of address with a utility bill having your name or bank statement having the address provided. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy process that ensures the safety of your funds and personal information. Section 6. Choosing your trading arsenal. Congratulations! Your account is now verified and you're ready to explore the exciting world of Exness MT5. This is a significant milestone in your trading journey, and it opens up a world of opportunities for you to explore. The next step is to create your trading account. This is where you will manage all your trades, monitor the markets, and execute your trading strategies. Exness MT5 offers different account types to suit your trading style and experience level. Whether you are a novice trader or a seasoned professional, there is an account type that will meet your needs. You can choose between a standard account, which is perfect for beginners. This account type offers a user-friendly interface and all the basic tools you need to get started in trading. Or a professional account designed for more experienced traders. This account type provides advanced tools and features that can help you take your trading to the next level. Each account type comes with its own set of features and benefits tailored to different trading styles and goals. So choose the one that aligns best with your trading goals. Take your time to review the options and select the account that will help you achieve your trading objectives. Section 7. Funding your trading journey. Now that you have your Exness MT5 trading account, it's time to fuel your trading journey with some capital. Make a deposit of $150 or more to start trading. This amount allows you to trade comfortably without over. Leveraging Exness offers a variety of convenient deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit and debit cards, and popular e-wallets. Choose the method that suits you best and make your deposit. Remember, the more you deposit, the more capital you'll have available to trade with. Section 8. Downloading and navigating MT5. With your account funded, you're almost ready to start trading. The final step is to download the powerful MT5 trading platform. Exness offers MT5 downloads for desktop, mobile, and web. Next, download MetaTrader 5 from Exness platform. Ensure it's Exness Technologies Ltd. After installation, open the app, select the Exness MT5 Trial 9 server, and log in using the account credentials you just created. Once installed, log into MT5 using the account credentials you created earlier. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface packed with advanced trading tools and features. Section 9. Ready to trade? Join us. Trading can be an exciting and rewarding journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Congratulations! You've successfully opened your Exness MT5 account and are now ready to embark on your Forex trading journey. This is just the beginning, and the opportunities are endless. With the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate the Forex market with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of trading, so continue to learn and grow your skills. Attend webinars, read books, and watch tutorials to stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. If you found this guide helpful, please show your support by liking this post, subscribing to our channel, and using our referral link https://exnesstrack.org ACXXX5KGU1C4 to open your Exness MT5 account. Your support helps us create more valuable content to assist you in your trading journey. Happy trading! May your trades be profitable and your learning experience enriching. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so stay persistent and keep pushing forward. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials on Forex trading. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable content. Disclaimer: Forex trading involves a substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. It's important to understand the risks involved and to trade responsibly. Before trading, carefully consider your financial condition, investment experience, and risk tolerance. Seek advice from financial advisors if needed, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Stay informed and trade wisely.